This video is an overview of how to use the installation accessories available with a 100 series insert window. The optional installation accessories available include a head expander to assist in filling the opening when doing an interior insert installation, frame and sill extenders to hide the gap between the new unit and the existing frame, and color-matched coil stock to wrap the existing wood window trim. Now, let's see how each of these accessories may be used. If you are installing a 100 series insert window into an opening with a sloped sill, you will need to install the optional exterior sill extender. To install the sill extender, first measure the sill angle height. Then, add 1/4 of an inch to the measurement and cut the exterior sill extender trim piece. Next, notch 3/16 inch weep holes 3 inches from each end and insert the extender into the sill curve of the window and secure it in place using a wooden block and rubber mallet. To finish the sides and top of the window, you can apply sealant, use color-matched frame extenders, or coil stock. With an interior installation, you will typically need to size the new unit 3/8 of an inch smaller than the opening. This allows you to fit the new window into the opening over the sill stop. If there is a gap 3/4 of an inch or less at the head of the window after the unit has been shimmed at the sill, the head expander may be used. Install the head expander by applying a 3/8 inch bead of sealant to the top of the opening in the middle of the unit, running it the entire width of the unit. Connect the bead of sealant along the stops at both ends. Next, secure the head expander to the unit. Place the window in the opening and push it up tight against the top of the opening and into the sealant. Apply additional low expanding foam to seal the ends of the head expander. Low expanding foam should not be used across the top of the unit if the head expander has been applied.